uh, yesterday we had seen about the exercise number 3.4 with a elimination method. Today we are going to see a very important method that is called exercise number 3.5, which is very important for a weightage, which is maximum weightage for this particular part. Here we are going to see about exercise 3.5. Here we have to remember two things. One is a basic condition for a line which is a parallel, or a line intersecting at one particular point, or a line representing the same line segment. Here that question has been asked is something like that. You have to check it out whether it is having a unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution. For that we have to compare this in the form of a a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, and from that you are able to get the answer. Now a1 upon a2 for this particular sum number 1, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9 minus 2 is equal to 0. a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 3 b1 upon b2. On simplification we are going to get minus 3 upon 9, minus cancel हो जाएगा, and we'll get 1 by 3, and c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 3 by upon minus 2, that is 3 by 2. So it follows the condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, hence parallel to each other, therefore they will not intersect each other, and thus there will be not be any solution for this equation, because this line is a parallel, no? This is the main thing. This is a parallel line segment. Hence, there is no need to go for a further simplification. Now, let us see sum number 2. 2x plus y is equal to minus 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 8. So a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, hence it is having a unique solution. So as they had asked to solve these sums by a क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मेथड. यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है, दैट x जब भी आएगा देन वी हैव टू टेक b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 इज इक्वल टू y के नीचे लेंगे, दैट इज c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is a basic formula for these particular things. Now if I put x is equal to b1 c2 करेंगे, so b1 is equal to 1 and c2, that is a minus 8, that is going to give you a minus 8. Same way b2 c1, b2 is 2, c1 is equal to 5, 5 2s are 10, that is a minus 10 na? So minus 10, and there is a sign is minus over here. So minus 8 minus minus 10, so it is going to become x by 2. Y is equal to c1 a2, c1 is equal to minus 5, a2 is equal to 3, 5 3s are 15, minus की साइन आएगी minus 15, and c2 a1, c2 minus 8 and 2, that is 8 2s are 16, तो plus 16 हो जाएगा, minus की साइन is already there in between that formula. So minus and minus is going to become plus. So minus 15 plus 16. Here last, that is a1 b2, that is a 2 2s are 4, and 3 1s are 3, बीच में minus का sign, तो 4 minus 3. So we are going to get the solution on simplification. X upon 2 is equal to y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1. So x by 2, comparing this with this and this with this, so इसे नहीं देखना है. So x by 2 is equal to 1, तो x going to get value is 2, and y by 1 is equal to 1, तो y is equal to 1. Now we are going to set up the solution xy, means the answer of this, that is a x and y solution will be a 2 and 1. Now number 3, 3x minus 5y is equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. We will observe this equation very carefully, and if we will multiply with 2, so 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, and 20 2s are 40. As a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, this follows directly line will be a coincident, hence infinite solution will be there. So here there is no need to solve by any method, including a cross multiplication, elimination और by substitution method. तीनों मेथड में से कोई भी नहीं करना है. नेक्स्ट, that is number 4. Method number 4, x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0, as a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. This we are able to get directly 1 by 3 and minus 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So hence it is having a unique solution that will get direct. Now for your make this particular things very easy and without using a formula in a proper way, I am writing in a different form. a1 is equal to क्या लिख दूंगा मैं 1, b1 कितना है -3, c1 that is equal to -7. Now a2 is equal to how much 3, b2 is equal to -3, c2 is equal to क्या हो जाएगा -15. Here when I am finding out the x, I have to put the fingers over here. So 15 3s are, that is a 45, minus and minus is going to become plus. So I am writing 45 over here, minus का साइन लगा दिया, 7 3s are 21, that is going to become plus, minus or minus है. Same way I will press this one, and here 7 3s are 21, sign will be a minus, so here it is a minus 21. Now 15 1s are 15, that is a minus 15, माइनस के आगे एक माइनस साइन था, सो माइनस एंड माइनस 15. Then I will press this and I will write the constant term. So 3 1s are 3, that is a minus 3, and 3 3s are 9, that is a minus 9. बाहर माइनस का साइन है. This method makes it very easy by writing in this form. So please follow this method to get your answer, and there is a lesser chances of a human error. So x is going to become plus 45 minus 21 is equal to 24, y is equal to minus 21 plus 15, that is equal to minus 6, is equal to once again 1 upon 6. x upon 24 is equal to 1 by 6. इसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे कांस्टेंट टर्म के साथ, y को फिर कांस्टेंट टर्म के साथ, एंड y upon minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to 24 by 6. On simplification I am going to get x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 6, न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा 6, so y is going to give minus 1. आंसर इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा x and y, that is equal to 4 and y that is a minus 1. Now in question number 2, this question number 2 and question number 3 is a very very important among all, and it is a frequently asked question. Here they had already given one condition that had an infinite number of solution. When infinite number of the solution has been given, you have to see the condition that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. ये condition आपको याद रखना है. So every time you have to remember 3 condition: infinite solution, unique solution or no solution. Here solution is that will be something like this. Let a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon a minus b, then b1 upon b2 that is a 3 upon a plus b, and c1 upon c2 that is equal to 7, that is a minus which will move on this side, and minus 3a plus b minus 2, minus and minus will get cancelled, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now for infinite solution, this is a condition: a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now keeping these things in mind, we have to find it out in the form of a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon c1 upon c2 करते थे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. So 2 upon a minus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर देंगे, 3 2 ज़ा 6a प्लस 2b माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 7a माइनस 7b. LHS से RHS लेके जाएंगे, दिस इज गोइंग टू बिकम माइनस a प्लस 9b इज इक्वल टू 4. सो a सेकेंड पार्ट में लेंगे तो 2 अपॉन a माइनस b इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन a प्लस b. So on cross multiplication we are going to get 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus. Now once again 2a a के टर्म्स को एक साइड पे लेके जाते 2a minus 3a plus 2b plus 3b is equal to 0. So minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Substituting 1 and 2 we obtain 4b is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. Placing the value in equation we get a minus 5 1 जा 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 5. Now b is equal to क्या मिल गया 1 and a is equal to 5 and c is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1, which is a given equation gives infinitely many solution. So which proves that अगर a की वैल्यू 5 है and b की वैल्यू 1 है, then we are going to get a infinitely many solution, which proves that these two equations represent a same line. Now this is a very important, so you have to repeat these particular sums 2 times. Next that is a 3x plus y is equal to 1, 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y is equal to 2k plus 1. Here condition has been given that it is having a no solution. When no solution is there, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now a1 is equal to क्या है, that is a 3, a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c1 is equal to 1 and c2 is equal to 2k माइनस 1, माइनस और माइनस साइन चला गया, साइड राइट 1 अपॉन 2k प्लस 1. a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2. सो 3 अपॉन 2k माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन k माइनस 1, बट इट नॉट इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2k प्लस 1. ये पार्ट को हम रिमूव करेंगे, विल सिंप्लीफाई विथ दिस टू पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. सो 3 अपॉन 2k माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन k माइनस 1, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 3k माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 2k माइनस 1, 3k माइनस 2k इज इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 1. हैंस व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ k 3k माइनस 2k इज इक्वल टू k इज इक्वल टू 2 इज अ सॉल्यूशन. सो व्हेन वैल्यू ऑफ k इज इक्वल टू 2 वी आर गोइंग टू गेट no solution for this particular equation. Once again I am repeating, these is skill based questions which is frequently asked in exam. Make the start to sum number 1 and 2. Now once again by a cross multiplication we are going to see one another sum. As per the questions they had asked that you have to use a 2 method in a linear equation. One is called as a cross multiplication and substitution method. Equation is something like 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and another equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 8x plus 5y LHS से RHS पे लेके जाऊंगा तो इक्वेशन विल बी माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to. Now first I will apply the method of substitution. 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. Equation number 1 को simplify करेंगे. So I am going to get x is equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. Placing in equation number 2 value of x. So 3 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 9 3s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y plus 8 2s are 16y is equal to 32. Now on simplification it is going to remain y. 32 LHS से RHS लेके जाते minus 27, y is going to give you 5 placing this value of phi in this equation, x is equal to 9 minus 25, 5 5 is 25 upon 8, so x is equal to minus 16 upon 8, 8 2 is 16, that is a minus 2, so x is equal to minus 2. The solution with a substitution method, xy is equal to minus 2 and 5. Same sum we have to solve with the help of a that cross multiplication method. We have to take a1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 9, c2 is equal to minus 4, x that is equal to, इसको प्रेस करेंगे once again, 5 4 is 20 minus 20, 9 2 is 18, that is a minus 18 is equal to y. इसके लिए इसको प्रेस करेंगे, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, 9 3 is 27 minus 27, माइनस का साइन, 8 4 is minus 32, press it over here, then you will get 8 2 is 16, 5 3 is 15. So x upon minus 20 plus 18 is going to become minus 2. Y minus 27 plus 32 is equal to 5 is equal to 1 by 1. So x upon minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1 and y upon 5 is equal to 1 by 1. So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So solution is x and y is a minus 2 and 5, which we are going to get with a method of substitution method also. So here we are completing a question which is based on just a equation. Now another 5 sums which we are going to see in a next session, that is a relevant to a preparing the equation, that is a from a sum number 4, that we'll see in a next part, which is a very important among all. So in next session we'll complete that 5 sums. Thank you very much and hope that you will enjoy the study online also, and I am requesting you to please repeat this particular part on a regular interval of time. When we'll meet personally, we'll try to sort it out once again, but your base will be a little bit upgraded if you will watch this video as well as try to sort it out by your own. Thank you very much and have a nice day.